Welcome to MediCap's PDF Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this oral medicine question. So this question was asked in the year 2024 and they were asking that which of the following conditions is not considered as a pre-malignant lesion. So the options given were leukoplakia, erythroplakia, OSMF and hairy leukoplakia. Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success. Now let's recall the definitions of pre-malignant lesion and condition. So pre-malignant lesion condition. Both the definitions have been given by WHO in the year 1978. So in 1978, again, WHO had given for conditions as well. Now, lesion says that a morphologically altered tissue in which there are increased chances of cancer as compared to its normal counterpart, whereas condition says a generalized state in which there are significant chances of the increased cancer. Okay. Now, lesions cover erythroplakia, leukoplakia, candidiasis, then carcinoma in situ. And even they have leukokeratosis nicotiana, that is smoker's palate. Fifth is smoker's palate. Then in conditions, we have OSMF. Then second is OLP, oral lichen planus. Then we have SLE and DLE, lupus erythematosus. Okay, and then we have syphilis. Now, in the first image here, you can see hairy leukoplakia. Now, hairy leukoplakia, it is caused by Epstein-Barr virus or human herpes virus 4. Now, basically, it is seen in cases of HIV and if not HIV, in cases where the immunity of the patient has gone down. So, immunocompromised patients, specifically in those patients, you will see this case. And even when the CD8 and CD4 count is less than 300. Now here in this first image, you can see a white keratotic patch which is present here in the commissural area. So this is your homogeneous leukoplakia. Here you can see the reduced mouth opening and here you can see the blanching and traumatic lesion. So this is your OSMF. Here you can see the reddish lesion, erythematous lesion. So this is your erythroplakia. Right? Now coming back to our question, the correct answer is hairy leukoplakia. I hope you got the concept and now you can mark the correct answer. Thank you.